नमस्कार येवकार प्रुडंटाक आयज एक स्पेशल आमी एक न्यूज घेवन आयल्या आनी दिस इज दी फर्स्ट ग्लिम्सीस आयज आमचे बरोबर हांगा PI शरीफ जॅकेस इज पर्सनली कम टू विजीट मिस्टर सागर नायक आनी एक ब्लायंड चॅलेंजींग केस तांच्यांनी डिटेक्ट केल्ली आसा एंड वेन वी गॉट टू नो दॅट ही हॅज कम हियर वी केम टू मीट हिम आनी आमकां आयज अशें कळून आयलां की इट वॉज अ व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट केस दॅट दे हॅव क्रॅक्ड. Not only human intelligence, not only technical surveillance, but तांचे एक सारखे टीम्स डिस्पॅच करून डिफरंट एंगल्स तांच्यांनी प्रूव करून आज केस क्रॅक केल्ली आसा. ताचे बरोबर तांच्यांनी व्हेरीफाय केल्लें आसा, 6 लोकांक अरेस्ट केल्लो आसा, प्लस द विक्टिम्स दे कम एंड मेट आनी दिस इज द फर्स्ट ग्लिम्स ऑफ द PI who has come to meet the victim Sagar Nayak after the case has been detected. This is exclusively we are shooting for Prudent. आणि त्याच बरोबर जेन्ना आमी तांकां विचारलें तांचें म्हणणें आसा की लोक कितेंय उलोवनी, we have done our job. The people can speak whatever they want to, but Goa police is saying that they have done their job. Very challenging case, blind case, no leads. Family कडेन कसलेच इनपुट्स ना, no doubts from the family side, but the police has managed to crack this case, one of the biggest case of in the history of Mormugao तालुका. आम डेकॉयटी अख्खो सेन्सेशनल केस, गोंयभर गाजली केस आनी आमचे बरोबर आयज हांगा PI ताची अख्खी टीम हांगा विक्टिमाक सागर नायकाक मेळपाक आयिल्ली आसा आनी बरी गजाल अशी आसा की तांचें जें गोल्ड रिकवरी जाल्लें तें सुद्दां आमचे विक्टीम सागर नायकान कन्फर्म केल्लें आसा आनी समहाव वी आर व्हेरी हॅपी टू अनाउन्स की दिस केस इज फुल्ली क्रॅक्ड. 6 people have been arrested and further investigations are underway.
We are very happy. आमची आखी entire team worked day and night, including DIG, IG, DGP, SP South, DYSP and our division. And baile staff घेतलेले आम्ही. आमचे teams had gone out of state and they have been there for the last 4-5 days. And it is one of the happiest thing that we were able to solve this case, nab the accused and recover the property. And now we have come for further investigation and statements with the family. Those who help themselves and work hard, even God helps them. So without working hard, there is no success. But in this, we worked really hard. And we got the success. 6 people arrested and one more person who is there, we are tracking him. Everybody can give their views, they can say what they want. But we were on the track, we are working. We cannot disclose to you what are we doing, because our disclosure could reach to the accused and they could go absconding again. But we have worked. And people say, I am not there at the police station. I was there at the police. I was holding charge of Vasco also. I was there at Vasco. Nobody told me who is coming. But there is no limit to talk and there is no bone for the tongue.